Mud, steam, a very British kablooey. Black Diamond Pool just erupted on camera. On December 20th, 2025, USGS monitoring gear filmed a dirty hydrothermal blast. Mud and water shot about 30–40 feet up, under bright blue skies and fresh snow. Scientists cheered the clear footage. New cameras, seismic sensors, acoustic sensors, put in this year finally gave researchers a great look. This isn't a geyser show. It's superheated water flashing to steam underground, blasting muck skyward, sometimes with zero warning. Since a much bigger July 2024 explosion that damaged the boardwalk, smaller dirty eruptions have been sporadic and unpredictable. There are no clear precursors or patterns, so the area stays closed for safety. Yellowstone hosts over 10,000 hydrothermal features. Want the live USGS webcam link? I can drop it in the description. Please respect closures and stay on open boardwalks. Stay safe out there.